Nakarating na nga kami sa aming final destination, Este Accommodation pala, na sponsor ng aming friend. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa loob ng resort. Dahil nga excited kami, medyo maaga kaming nakarating and we need to wait up to 30 minutes para ma-ready ang aming room. While waiting, binigyan kami ng welcome drinks at merong dalawang choices. Island sunset or ocean water. Ocean water! Nakakasosyal naman. Island sunset ang pinili ko dahil feeling ko galing sa dagat yung ocean water niya. Masarap siya ah. Both drinks are good and refreshing. Kita nyo naman, itsura pa lang oh. Ready na daw ang aming room, kaya let's go at sabay-sabay nating tingnan at mag-tour sa aming kwarto. Eto na guys, excited na ba kayo? So, this is our room, and guys, check this out. The best part. Look at the view. It's perfect. Parang ikaw, perfect para sa akin. Chawat! Now, let's go and check out the pool area. Dahil sa cool blue color ng tiles, na-enhance nito ang kulay ng tubig sa pool. It's really nice to have a mini bar besides the pool area. Pwede ka nang kumain at uminom, hindi mo na kailangan pang lumayo. Andito lang naman ako. Uy! May tip ako para sa inyo guys. Order lang kayo sa mini bar as many as you can at i-charge mo sa room na kaibigan mo. Magugulat na lang sila upon check out na may babayaran sila. Hahaha. Ang bad diba? I-check naman natin ang sky pool area nila. This sky pool is really fascinating. It is located right above the front beach restaurant at perfect ito para sa sunset.
Speaking of sunset, ang Boracay is facing west, so perfect talaga ang sunset dito. Sinamahan pa ng napakagandang white beach. Paano pa kaya kung nandito ka kasama ko? Oh! Although the island is busy and crowded, the sea is very soothing to the eyes and nakaka-refresh ng mind and body. The water is blue as the sky and clean as the crystal. Agree ba kayo guys?
Dahil sa Henan nga kami naka-check-in, meron kaming free buffet breakfast every morning. We experience the pleasure of fine cuisine that reflects Asian and Western influences. Edi wow!
What's up mga idol? This is Lods kasama ang buong tropa. Tara, sama na sa aming gala.